The Nomado, this is Shiek. And as soon as we put out the first video, you bought it.
I actually bought it before that.
Did you?
Yeah, I saw it.
Oh, we put it on the website.
I literally saw it on Emmo's website, and I was like, okay, this thing looks sick as hell.
Yep.
I kind of want it because I'm not really into the other sports bike models.
Yeah.
They're too much. They're too flashy. This thing on the other hand, like I just love the retro look. So I was like, I need it.
Just like that. Okay, and why did you choose Ride the Wind?
I liked your YouTube videos.
Thank you.
That really is. I liked your YouTube videos. I was like, I kind of like her. I'm just gonna go with her.
Thank you.
And
we're not too far away from you because people do think that we're very, very far.
No, you're in Mount Albert, like 50 kilometers from you.
Yeah, it's not
nothing. This is Canada. There's nothing.
No,
really nothing.
And it's probably the same time. You actually are moving on the way here.
It's actually faster going here than going to Toronto, which is again, they're the same distance as Toronto from me, but it's faster coming here.
Yeah,
it's empty streets. So
had you been looking for an e-bike for a while?
It's literally just an impulse buy, honestly.
Oh, okay.
Like I saw e-bikes and I was like, okay, I've seen these, like the actual electric bicycles, and I was like, wait, they're turning into like motorbike-ish.
Yeah.
They're not legal if you go fast.
That's true.
But like, they look cool, so I want one. It's better for me to not waste gas in my big ass BMW.
Yep, it was BMW.
Okay, it's an SUV.
Okay.
And I always indicate I'm a good BMW driver.
Okay. You're not a typical?
No, it eats gas. I hate that thing. It eats gas like crazy. So I'm wasting money driving it to the grocery store.
Yeah, so it's not something you need. It's something you wanted that you're putting in between of when you don't need your SUV.
This would save me a lot of money.
Okay. How far is it to where you need to go?
It's 10 kilometers. Like, that's a waste of gas. It's a complete waste of gas. This is like what? This will last me 50 kilometers. That's perfect.
If not 70.
Yeah.
But you're an exact example of why Emmo, they talked about bringing this cafe racer in 2 years ago. 2 years ago.
What happened?
I don't know. They don't rush into things, and which that's what I like about them. Like the zones and most of all of their bikes have zero issues, and it's because they're not, oh yeah, we'll just put that and they put time and thought into it. But this is exactly why they needed this in their lineup, because it went from the Zone to the DX. Mm-hmm. And the DX is a hit or miss, although that's Darren's favorite bike, but it's not everybody's jam. This has the style and like the coolness to it.
Yeah.
So that's awesome. Well, I really appreciate your business.
Plus,
and
green just looks something.
The green?
Black was so bland. Silver was really nice. Silver champagne.
Almost a champagne color. Yeah, we got to get that in.
Silver champagne was almost what I was going to go with. But I saw green,
classic.
And I saw like brown saddlebags that could go with it. And I was like, okay, yeah, this is it.
Yeah, and Darren said this is the exact green of the original too. So
this is like look at it. It's beautiful.
Thank you so much for choosing us and willing to do a video. Thank you. That's good.